Hi, I'm Steve. I run the IT for our sweets shop in South Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. I give LabeLive a rating of 5. In the past, we've used a few other label products such as Label Joy. These products were cumbersome and a bit awkward to use. LabeLive, by comparison, is very, very straightforward and totally intuitive, and it's a great product to use by comparison with the others. When our last label program, well, it didn't die, the computer that it was hosted on died. It was a Windows computer, and so I was very keen to look for a program that would run on my Mac. Luckily, I found LabeLive. One of the key requirements was that the program needed to be able to work with batch data, so that we could import batches of label information and print them without having to print individual labels one at a time. And that LabeLive supported that function. That was critical to us, and that function works really well, and the whole experience is very smooth. Getting started with LabeLive couldn't have been easier. The support we got from the company was absolutely first class, despite the time zone difference. I was surprised at just how effectively we could communicate with the staff at LabeLive to sort through any of the minor teething troubles that we did have, understanding some of the operations at the beginning. But the program is so intuitive to use that there wasn't really much support needed anyway. And the conversion process from the previous program to LabeLive was remarkably easy. And we were up and running within, I think, half a day. And I had basic operations running, and then a bit of fine tuning over the course of the next few days, and haven't had to adjust it since, and it works perfectly. If I was shopping for a label program for my operation, I wouldn't hesitate to look beyond. I wouldn't hesitate to recommend LabeLive. I've never seen or used a program that's anywhere near as intuitive or straightforward or easy to use as LabeLive, and it's made our life so much easier. I'm sure it would make anybody's life easier if they have a need for printing labels.